Morning students, I hope you all are safe at your home as we are going to start our online learning classes. So here I am going to start our first topic of science for class 6th. Our today's topic is how to separate substances by using different methods. Here we will discuss about three methods: separating two components of a mixture by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. First of all, we understand what is the meaning of sedimentation. When the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called sedimentation. Decantation, when the water along with the dust is removed, the process is called decantation. Next, filtration. It is a process used to separate solids from liquids or gases using a filter medium that allows fluid to pass through but not the solid. We will understand it with the help of diagram also. So here our first diagram is sedimentation. In this diagram you can see sand settles down at the bottom and clean water floats above. Our second diagram is decantation. In this diagram you can see that the solution is transferred into another glass and all sand sediments are collected in the previous glass. Last but not the least, in third diagram you can see all sand is collected in the sieve and clean water passes through it. We can understand it in a better way with some practical activity also. First you have to take a glass, put some water and sand and stir it properly. After some time, you can see sand settles down at the bottom and clean water floats above. So this process is known as sedimentation. Now take another glass and transfer this solution carefully into another glass. You can see sand sediments are collected in the previous glass. So this is known as decantation. Next way to separate water and sand is filtration. In this we use a sieve. You can see all sand is collected here and clean water is collected in the glass. So today we understand three methods of separation. Students, note your homework carefully. Your today's homework is draw all three diagrams at least 2 times and try this activity at your home also and observe the changes.